Project Moonhut is not just theory. It's underway. And at the center of it, we're building a platform that connects people, ideas, and organizations worldwide. It's designed to accelerate innovation, improve governance, and create community, while also driving the breakthroughs into the hands of those who can use them. And one way to do this is through technology transfer. We are shifting the tech into classrooms, industry, and communities. Now, we're also leveraging immersive technologies, AR, VR, digital twin, haptics, 3D, 4D, gaming, storytelling, and emotional design. They're all a part of how we make the complex accessible, turning information into experiences that people can feel, touch, and share. We're also shaping how materials, advanced composites with rare earth materials combinations, they could turn around and create lighter, stronger, and more resistant options that we can use in infrastructure, transportation, and energy. These become the building blocks of a future that is adaptive and durable. Alongside the materials, we're also advancing an exchange system, so we're rethinking how resources are valued, traded, and shared, so that economies themselves can evolve. We're also working on autonomous robotics. These are not robots for a distant frontier so that we can mine on the moon, but for systems that help us to reimagine how we handle mining, agriculture, logistics, city infrastructure here on Earth. Taken together, put together, each of these ideas forms a part of the Moon Earth ecosystem and Project Moonhut. We are not just one project, but many threads woven together into a whole. Each breakthrough strengthens the others, and you, by watching, sharing, and engaging, become a part of the memory that we're building. We're looking forward to hearing from you.